is a hell of difference between a college going girl in Delhi and a college going girl in Kashmir. They may be equally well dressed, but they are not emancipated that way. Because the avenues, the ways, the means. If a child asks me in the class, would have asked me in 90s in the class, "Ma'am, ये क्या हो रहा है?" I could not explain it because I, being a government servant, could not explain in that way what I was able to explain at home. It was 90s. I was posted in the College of Education on Maulana Azad Road. I just entered my gate of the college and a blast took place. I wanted to just call my children back home, how they were, and I'm safe. But I couldn't. I had to keep on waiting up to 4 because there was no room to go outside the college because the roads were closed because of the blast. I kept on waiting. That miseries we have felt while on duty.
Shafqat has been teaching and training government teachers for most of her life, and throughout, she always had to balance the conflict between the requirements of her job and the situation in the valley.
It is for the very first time a full crackdown in all spheres of life, but no civilian killing. Hats off to Mr. Amit Shah and Mr. Modi for that he made the administration to do what they desired. जब गवर्नमेंट चाहेगी तो सिविलियन कोई नहीं मरेगा अंधाधुंध गोलियों से. जब गवर्नमेंट चाहेगी किसी को तकलीफ नहीं होगी, लेकिन जब गवर्नमेंट नहीं चाहेगी तो सब मरेंगे भी और तकलीफ सहेंगे. The burden of hartals, of crackdowns, of restrictions is felt inside my kitchen to the extent that everything what I cook, what I bring, what I feed my children, what I eat for myself has come under this stress.
देखेंगे मैं दो ही से पकाती हूँ. सब कुछ अच्छा बना है, आप खा सकते हैं.
Every sort of pressure, though whether it is for business, whether it is in studies, whether it is in unemployment, is felt by a woman inside the kitchen. She has to think thrice कि बच्चा कल तक इतना कमाता था, मियाँ आज तक इतना कमाता था, अब उसकी कमाई में इतनी कमी होगी. How will I run the domestic affair? That is how ladies are living in Kashmir. All your own children say, कहाँ जा रही है? बाहर सारा बंद है. But I can't tell my son that where are you going? All is closed. Where are you going? He has a right to go. But I, being an elder twice of his age, I'll have to think thrice whether I should leave or not. What makes me to do that? Because we have been groomed as subordinate.